Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Have the IT index bottom out? Welcome subscriber to the Fast Profits Daily. Myself Brijesh Bhatia. If you remember few months back, I have done a video on IT index saying that it is a top information when it was trading somewhere around nearly 33,000, and we have seen back towards the 26,000 levels. And today I am saying it is forming the short term bottom. Again I am repeating, I am not indicating that the long term top could be negated, but I think that the short term bottom can be in place and we may see a bounce or a reversal of around 10-12% into the IT index. Let's start with the first chart over here, the Nasdaq. Nasdaq, the US index, and it's been the highest weightage into the IT index, and the Nifty IT follow the Nasdaq footstep. Sometimes it may outperform, sometimes it may underperform, but generally the footsteps are same. Index has been under huge pressure. Nasdaq especially has been in a huge pressure into the US, and IT have seen a 30% correction, nearly 30% correction in 2022. From the highs of somewhere around 39,500, we are back into the range of around 26,000 of IT index. But if I look at the structure of Nasdaq over here, there are multiple structure indicating that the reversal can be on cards for Nasdaq. First, if you look at the orange over here, the blue over here is the bullish harmonic pattern called the bullish black swan, and though reversal was somewhere and it went around a few percentage down by around 3-4% down, and have seen a sign of reversal. Second, if I look at the green over here, the gap area is a minor resistance for the bulls to take out with the ascending triangle, the black one is the ascending triangle structure. So the gap area and ascending triangle could be this first sign. Once the breakout happens, this would be the first sign that the reversal confirmation could happen, and that is placed somewhere around 12,250, keeping a buffer of a few points, considering 12,300 being a confirmation of the short term bottom in place for Nasdaq, which could see an huge upside. Plus, if you look at see the trend line over here, I believe once the ascending triangle and gap area is taken out, the Nasdaq might go higher to test the trend line, which is placed at around 13,350, 13,400 levels around to the upside. Second chart, if I just move on to the India IT index chart, this is the weekly chart of CNX IT or Nifty IT. And if you look at the rising channel, we saw a breakout. The breakout has been retested. If you look at the orange marks over there, the retest of breakout, it is indicating that the breakout of rising channel is been retested right at 26,300 levels. Second, if I just look at the broader trend right from 2009 has been bullish, because we are witnessing higher low structure, which is a sign of again a bullish scenario. If you look at the lower panel on your screen, the chart, the RSI, basically known as the strength of the momentum, and that is placed into the oversold territory. Since 2009, whenever it tests around 30 zone, which is generally known as oversold territory for RSI, and on a weekly scale, they generally form a reversal structure. Sometime it may go to the new all-time high, or sometime it may see a reversal structure and go into consolidation. This time I am expecting the reversal move of around 10-12%, as I said, till 39,500 is not crossed on a broader time frame. I believe this could be just a bounce, and if as a trader, 10-12% into the IT index could be a good move, considering looking the TCS being trending at below 3,000 levels, Infosys trending around 1,400 levels, HCL Tech hitting the new all-time 52-week low, Wipro trending around 400. I believe that the short covering rally could be on cards for the IT index, looking at the weekly structure. If I just look at the top-down approach and move on to the daily chart, which is again more convincing in support with the weekly scale over here, we are witnessing a triple bullish divergence or triple positive divergence on RSI. So if you look at the markings over here 1, 2 and 3, the prices on the above chart, if you look at the 1 to 2, prices made a new low, 2 to 3 prices again made a new low. But if you look at the lower panel, which is the RSI, prices here are making the higher lows. If you look at the structure over here, 1 to 2 the lows are higher, 2 to 3 the lows are higher. It is a sign of bullish divergence or positive divergence on daily scale as well. So the weekly scale trending at huge support zone, showing sign of positive momentum. Nasdaq showing sign of positive momentum. Daily scale of Nifty IT index showing a positive divergence, again indicating that the bulls may lose the momentum over here, and we may see around 10% or probably 12% rally into the IT index or Nasdaq. Once the Nasdaq crosses around 12,300, I believe the rally could be fast and furious for another 5-7% quick move onto the Nasdaq, and we may see the upper trend line, which is 13,350, 13,400 can be on cards for Nasdaq, which could again boost IT index on a positive side. I am repeating again, I am just looking for a short term from a traders per se, that the IT index could be the short term trade you should look at. Signing off, Brijesh Bhatia.